In this lesson, we'll examine how to construct a stem and leaf plot on the following values you see there on your screen. And what we want to do to construct a stem and leaf plot, we want to first of all draw a vertical line here. And on this left is going to be the stem, and on the right is going to be the leaves. And I'll show you what I mean here. So first of all, we have to ask ourselves, we're going to look at the tens unit or tens place on each of these values. And notice here we have 13, that's in the tens, 18's in the tens, this next value is in the tens. Here we have 20s. Okay, I'll underline that 20. 20. Here we have a 40. I'm going to go back and underline this first 10 place. So 10, 20, 40. Here's a 50. And then notice we do have a 30 here. 10, 40, 50. We've seen those before. So notice how this ranges from 10s place, 20s, 30s, 40s, and then 50s. So we're going to take the tens place, and that's going to become our stem. And we're going to write each one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now these represent the tens unit, not the ones. Okay, then all we have to do here on our leaves, this is the ones place. So now we'll just go through, and each time we see a value that's in the 10, that has a stem of 10, we'll write its ones unit here. Like for example, 13. So I have 1, and then I write a 3 here, 13. I'll go ahead and draw a line through that so we don't count it twice by accident. Next we have 18. So 18 is 10 and 8. Here's the 10. So now I write an 8 here for 18. Draw a line through that. Next we have 12. So I have a 2 here. That's 10 plus 2 is 12. Draw a line through that. 22 is next, so that's going to go in the 20s. We write a 2. That's 22. Then we have 28. So I write an 8 here. And try and line these values up vertically. Okay, I'll draw a line through that. Next we have 41, so I'm going to write a 1 there. Next is 52, so I'm going to write a 2 here. 50 plus 2 is 52. 38 comes next, so I have an 8 here. Then 14, so we have another value in our tens row, another leaf there, 14. Then 44, so we put a 4 here. And then 52, our last value, we put a 2 here. Okay, and that's it for the stem and leaf plot. So we have 13, 18, 12, 14. Let's take a few more. 38. Here's 41 and two 52s as an example. Okay, this is a very useful plot for quickly summarizing our values.